Okay, so the Guinness World Record for the largest online quiz has been broken 7 times. It was introduced in 2001, and the last record, which was just created in November last year, 7,279 participants. Last year there were over 6,000 Guinness World Record titles set, and that's over 40,000 applications a year as well. One of my favourite records that I've participated in as an adjudicator was for the world's most valuable guitar. It was $2 million. We have the most toilet seats broken on a head in 1 minute. We have the longest distance for a takeaway curry ever, which came from New Zealand to Manchester. The longest journey paddling in a pumpkin boat, and this was 60 kilometers. The first record set is a difficult one, but the Guinness World Records as an organization, it came together in the early 50s when the owner of the Guinness brewery, Hugh Beaver, he had an argument or a discussion with some friends when they were out hunting about the fastest game bird, and they could not find the answer to this anywhere. So 1954 was the first year that Guinness World Records came together. The first book was published, and it was actually just a few copies that were held behind Guinness-owned pubs, really to settle pub arguments similar to Hugh's when they were out hunting.